Hey guys, what's up and welcome back to Bluff Central. In today's video, we're going to talk about the ongoing internet upheaval about the replacement of Amber Heard in Aquaman 2 as Mera. Watch it till the end to know more about it. James Wan's Aquaman, released in 2018, received positive reviews and its characters were praised and loved around the globe. Aquaman starred Jason Momoa as Arthur Curry, Amber Heard as Mera, Willem Dafoe as Vulko, Patrick Wilson as Orm the Ocean Master, Dolph Lundgren as Nereus, Yahya Abdul-Mateen II as Black Manta, Nicole Kidman as Atlanna, Ludi Lin as Captain Murk, and Temuera Morrison as Tom Curry. The applauded role played by the gorgeous Amber Heard has a separate fan base. However, the personal life of the actress is shadowing her professional life. The controversial divorce of the actress with Johnny Depp has affected both. Not all love stories have a happy ending, I think we can all agree on that. So was the case with Aquaman's Mera and Jack Sparrow of the Pirates of the Caribbean. They both met on the sets of the Rum Diary. People magazine reported that Depp and Heard were engaged after a picture emerged of the actress wearing an ornate engagement ring, which was later confirmed by Johnny Depp in a video interview with the Daily Mail. They married in 2015 in a private ceremony. After a year though, Heard filed a divorce case in court claiming that she is a victim of domestic abuse. On May 23, 2016, Heard filed for a divorce from Depp and also obtained a temporary restraining order against the Oscar-nominated actor. She alleged that Depp had physically abused her during their relationship and said it was usually under the influence of drugs or alcohol. Moreover, she also said that at the time of filing for a divorce, an incident had recently taken place in which Depp threw a phone at her, leaving her with a bruised face. However, a police spokesperson told People that an investigation into the domestic violence radio call found that no crime had taken place. Depp denied these accusations and said via his representatives that Heard was attempting to secure a premature financial resolution by alleging abuse. With the internet left polarized, the case peaked when Depp lost the libel case against The Sun, a tabloid newspaper in the UK. Following the sparked controversy, Johnny went into hot waters and lost important roles, including a role from his movie Fantastic Beasts 3. Disney also cleared that he will not be a part of the Pirates of the Caribbean franchise as well. However though, leaked audio and several testimonies turned the table and showed the true colors of Heard. The leaked audio call showed that the situation was otherwise, and it was Depp who was the victim actually, and not Heard. Amber Heard, whose beauty has mesmerized millions, has been portrayed now as beauty with the evilness inside. Consequently, a petition was signed by more than 1.8 million people to remove Heard in Aquaman. Johnny's fans were outraged and asked for justice for him, as he's one of the most beloved actors in Hollywood with several memorable roles. The fans of the movie Aquaman wanted the Warner Brothers to replace her with another actress. The names suggested were Emilia Clarke and Dakota Johnson. The majority of the fans want Emilia Clarke as Mera in Aquaman 2. Emilia already has a successful career and is known for her roles in Game of Thrones, Dom Hemingway's Soul, A Star Wars Story, Voice from a Stone, Terminator Genesis, and more. Fan-made art of Emilia as Mera in Aquaman 2 took Twitter and other social media platforms by storm. A majority of fans found her suitable for this role and wanted to see her in the upcoming movie. An image posted by Valentin Romero Art shows Emilia Clarke donned in the hexagonal suit for the Mera role along with an underwater crown. The suit was designed in purple color to give her costume a different look for Aquaman 2. Another artist, Boss Logic, also posted a digital artwork depicting Emilia as Mera. An Instagram user @JPH_Photoshop shared his work, and the fans immediately flooded his comment box with praise, and many of them wishing that Clarke could play the role. DC Marvel also shared a side-by-side image of Heard and Clarke as Mera on his Instagram handle. All these imaginations and beautiful digital artwork have excited fans who now urge to replace Heard as soon as possible. The chemistry between Jason Momoa and Emilia Clarke is another reason to ship them in Aquaman 2 as co-stars. The two have already co-starred in the Game of Thrones, and fans were delighted and excited to see the awesome chemistry between them again. Most of the Aquaman fans shared their view on the internet that they will go to watch Aquaman 2 if only Heard is kicked off the project. Some internet users felt sorry for Johnny Depp and wished him luck for his future projects. Some users want Warner Brothers to replace Heard with any other actress. Moreover, some of the Johnny Depp fans tweeted in his favor and demanded to fire Heard. One of his fans tweeted, "I don't understand why Warner Brothers fired Johnny Depp but not Amber Heard. They both have evidence of being abused by each other, and abusive women are rarely held to the same standard as abusive men. Fire both or fire neither," another fan tweeted. "It's a double standard. This is why men don't come forward about domestic abuse or rape." She even said it. "No one is going to believe that a 115-pound woman abused a grown man." She said they would laugh at him. This whole situation is disgusting. Amber Heard should be fired. In short, there's a lot of upheaval on the internet right now. Heard, on the other hand, denied the replacement story and said that she was excited about the role. Paid rumors and paid campaigns on social media don't dictate casting decisions because they have no basis in reality. Only the fans made Aquaman and Aquaman 2 happen. "I'm excited to get started next year," she added. No official confirmation of the replacement is released by Warner Brothers yet. However, the decision will work wonders as fans are already shipping Jason Momoa and Emilia Clarke owing to their chemistry and the test against Heard. This was all for today's episode. See you guys in the next one with another gossip and fascinating topic. Share your thoughts with us in the comments section below. Which actress do you guys want to play the role of Mera in Aquaman 2? And while you're doing that, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video. Take care and stay safe. Adios.